And at this moment, Christina realized she had to go to this rave. Did she want to? No. But she was going to anyways.
Okay, hey guys, okay, so I'm doing this all over again because outside's lighting was super harsh. But this is my whole Rave Bay outfit. I feel like I'm literally like doing this for Halloween or something. Or like I don't know, it's like my alter ego. But yeah, I'm like have like all the purple eyes, all the violet pinkies and stuff, and I have like a pink fanny pack. All this was from Target. Like this was from Target, this was from Target, this is Christy, she's letting me borrow it, and then these are my shoes from Jeffrey Campbell. I like these accessories are all from Target. Like Target, please sponsor me. But woohoo! This is my first rave ever, and I've never wanted to go. Still kind of don't want to go, but I feel like we could do something with this like eye look, like, you know what I mean? Oh. But I've never really been, and like everyone looks like they're having so much fun. And it's my friend Christy's birthday tomorrow, so I felt like I kind of had to go. And you know what? I'm at that point in my life where I'm like, just stop saying no to things. Like, who cares? Like, you're literally gonna not be in college anymore. Take advantage of it. So that's what I've been trying to do. It's so much work, I feel. I feel like that's just like mad work and mad money. I feel like this is how I used to do my makeup for like videos way back then, like for like the Beauty Smarties Showdown or like the NYX Face Awards.
Just a quick tip, if you guys want to make your skin look a lot more like skin after applying foundation and powder, spray it with some setting spray and then pat it with your sponge to really melt it into your skin. And then after here, I just applied some fake eyelashes.
I just found my Fenty Beauty Water Brat, and it's like pink. I feel like that'll look so pretty. Like, I don't even care that I'm highlighting my pimples. Like, this is amazing. I feel kind of like a rocker chick right now, less Galaxy Rave, but we'll see. It's just a lot of work, you know what I mean? It really shouldn't be this stressful. I don't know why I'm trying this hard. Oh, hello. Wow. What? How did I do this? And I have star clips. Oh my god, wait, where'd it go? No. Wait a minute. Oh my god. No. Target's really stepping up their game. Okay guys, so this is my whole outfit. I will literally show you guys a whole bunch of clips at the rave and stuff like that. But this is just what I look like. Ooh, 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 ooh.